After the Copenhagen Climate Conference, there remains many unsolved problems. It is hard to reach a consensus, and we are still under the impact of climate change. Now we're in Hong Kong, you can see the weather is really hot, and not only in Hong Kong, in Nepal and Jakarta, they are also face the same problems. In the past few years, Jakarta has suffered the worst floods in 3 centuries.
Minggu ini aja udah 2 kali gitu, Bang. Minggu ini gitu. Kalau setahun ya bisa lebih dari 100-200 kali.
Environmental scientists expressed concern about wider effect of climate change.
What's happening here is things that will also happen in other areas in the world, but later on.
Hundreds of glacial lakes in the Himalaya mountain region of Nepal are increasing in volume because of the rapid melting of snow and ice due to the increasing temperature. Once these lakes overflow, the walls could give way and flood the villages in the lower areas. November 2013, United Nations climate talks in Warsaw focused on the question of whether goals set for pollution restrictions. The negotiations in Poland have a problem helping finance polar nations to develop economics in a cleaner way than developed countries did.
The best we're talking about is getting the deal done in Paris in 2015 and then only to start implementing in 2020. So already this very late timeline that we have, that is not in line with the science, is suggesting that in fact, the timeline that we have is not aligned to what the science is saying in terms of urgency. And as we stand now, if we go with the spirit of the lack of urgency that we see in these talks, we are heading for another disaster in Paris in 2015, and we need to avert that at all costs.